1045, graph the points negative 2, 4, 2, 1, and negative 2, negative 2, and connect the points to create a triangle. Well, as you can see, I've already done that here. Now, part A tells us to find the perimeter of the triangle. All right, no big deal, but wait, hold on a second. We have diagonals here, and we can't count diagonals on graph paper. It's not accurate. So what we have to do in this case is we are going to draw a line from the bottom to the point of this triangle. And in this case, we have two identical right triangles. So if we're looking at side lengths, this is going to be 3. This is also going to be 3. And then this middle part is 4. All right, so what we're looking for is the diagonal on each of the on each of the smaller right triangles, hypotenuse or C. So what we can do is we can take the information we have and plug into the Pythagorean theorem, which again is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So A and B were given, and it does not matter which one we plug in for which. So I'm going to do 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Well, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and when we add those, we get 25 is equal to c squared. Now be careful because 25 is not the length of our diagonals. 25 is the length of our diagonals squared. So to unsquare, we take the square root, and we get 5 as a length for our diagonals here and here. So I've got 5 and I've got 5. All right, so if we want to find the perimeter, all we need to do is we need to do 3 plus 3, right? Because we have this side right here, which is 3 and 3, which would be 6. So 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. And that's going to give us 16 units. All right, if you don't have this work, make sure you have it copied down so you can go back and pause if you need to. Part 2 tells us to translate the triangle up 2 and right 3. What are the new coordinates? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, and up 2 over 3. So now I can go ahead and connect those that I've got my points. I can go ahead and connect them. All right, and we want to make sure we answer all parts of the question. So what are the new coordinates? Let's make sure we write those down. So this is for part B. It looks like well, first of all, it looks like I took one a little too far here. So this one should be right here. And it is going to be 1, 6. Right, if we look at this point here, that's 5, 3. And then if we look at the last point on the bottom here, that is 1, 0. All right, now that's all we need for B. For C now, it tells us, or it's asking, I guess, what is the perimeter of the triangle after its translation in part B? Well, if you remember, translations preserve side lengths or keep them the same, so the perimeter will still be 16 units. And that is because translations preserve side lengths. All right, and that's also, once you have everything for parts A, B, and C, you are good. That's all for 1045. Nice job.